to Palestine. Occupation is a crime. From Auckland to Palestine. Killing children is a crime.
Days more of atrocity. After a 7-day ceasefire truce has ended, in less than 24 hours, 200 people been killed already in Gaza. 3,365 Palestinians have been detained. 16,413 Palestinians killed, and the number is still rising. 6,300 or more of them are children. 1.7 million Palestinians have been displaced. No home, no shelter. 7,000 Palestinians, 200 of them are children, have been arrested throughout Palestine, with nearly 34,000 injured. This means that 1 in every 142 Palestinian civilians have been killed in a month and a half.
Shame!
Just in the West Bank, at least 240 Palestinians have been killed, and about 2,850 others injured by Israeli forces. Something else the media doesn't want you to know is that since October the 7th, Lebanon has sacrificed 100 martyrs. This includes resistance fighters, civilians, and journalists. 65,000 settlers evacuated 43 settlements facing the South Lebanon border. Despite all of that,
solidarity with Palestine, we demand our government to call for a permanent ceasefire and an end to the occupation, the illegal occupation.